morning, everyone. I've kind of been thinking here a little bit. No, things like potatoes, lemons, oranges, those kind of things, they can power small light bulbs or a clock. And I have some pumpkins here. I wonder if they'll do the same thing. What do you think? Thumbs up, take a quick poll. Thumbs up, it's gonna work. I'm gonna get my little clock to turn on. Thumbs down, there's no way, because the pumpkin is completely different than something like an orange or a lemon or even a potato. They don't come in the same families. So what do you think, Rockets? Thumbs up? It's going to power. Thumbs down, my clock's not going to turn on. Teachers, take a quick poll. Let's see what your room thinks. I'm going to finish setting up my pumpkins here. I got to attach my electrodes. There goes one. There goes the other. Okay, what do you think, guys? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Are we going to have power to our clock today? In the moment of truth, it is reading 12 o'clock. Pumpkins can produce power. Wonder how that happens. We'll talk about it when you see me in the STEM lab.